Alright, today's fitness January go at the power elevators. Just go one way. Now watch this with power. Alright, get ready? Boom. Get ready? Here we go. Watch this. Wee, oh my god, this is fast. Yee. This is fast. Gonna hit this fall Hollywood on the face. Oh my god, we got a really fast elevators. Oh man, this will really stay for a long time. Oh god, this starts is a little longer, so try to back down. But yeah, fitting January today is already less, and yeah, this is another tower elevators, yeah. But it uses many sides, but not get here like this. Oh, it's approaching. Oh, what's up? So hold the face. Okay, hold the face, okay, that's it. Yeah, it doesn't. Alright. Go back down to the elevators, and here we go. Whee! That's something that's not fast. Oh man, mobizen, this is a really fast. What name of this elevator? I can read this. Wow, look at that. This is long legs, but this will complete that fast. So this scenic one. While watching that, 60 extra to go. First. God, this elevator is really fast because this build on this elevator is really tall. Super tall. Woo, man, this elevator is fast.
Lift going up.
What is it to go up? Oh no, watch this get this elevator is fast. Alright, here it goes. Whee. Whoa, that elevator really fast. Could try go many ones. Many elevators that go slow. Stop. Wow. Alright, what was the wing for this? Alright, go. Wow. Oh man, this elevator is oh man, look at this elevator. Many go up. Alright, there we go, Senator Knowles.